guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to do a smoky purple gold eyeshadow look. I'll be showing you guys how I did this eye makeup look. So if you guys are interested, continue watching. I have really dry to normal skin, so I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Hydro Genius. This is great if you have super dry skin. That's how I do it because like the pump is very small. So now that you have the moisturizer on, you want to let it sit at least for like a couple minutes, like 5 to 6 minutes. So that way your skin can like absorb the moisture. And I will be back. Now that the moisturizer has sat in, I'm going to be adding my favorite foundation, Bare Minerals Bare Pro. This is going to hide anything. I'm just going to apply 2 pumps on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to dot this everywhere. The reason why I love this foundation so much is because it's very full coverage. Like, you only need like 2 pumps for the whole entire face and it will cover your life, girl. And plus, it doesn't really oxidize that much. I mean, it kind of does, but then like not as much as a Fenty Beauty. Oh, I do not like that foundation. I'll just be like, oh, I don't do any foundation. It's like the best foundation in the world. Try Bare Minerals, then y'all can come and talk to me. Like, I make this sound like it's a sponsored video. It's really not. It's just the world's best foundation. It's covering up my life, and that's only from 2 pumps. I'm just going to add some under eye concealer. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to add a little bit of setting spray to it so like it can make the concealer blend a little easier. It's looking ridiculous, so I'm just going to get my beauty blender with foundation and just like soften it up. I'm going to get my Maybelline setting powder. I'm going to get my brush from MAC, 150 brush. You can bake if you want, but I'm not a huge fan of baking because I'm like super dry. Baking for dry skin does not work good. You always want to pat the powder in. You do not want to rub. Some people, they go like way too far with the bronzing and the contour, and it, girl, it does not look good. You better go wash your face and redo your makeup. Like, I'm not good at eyeshadow, but then like overall, like my face and stuff, like I'm pretty good at doing that. Like, if you want your foundation not to be cakey or anything, you can come and watch this channel. For eyeshadow, go to someone else. But look at how good this foundation looks. It looks like it's just skin. Now I'm going to get the BB Studio palette, and I'm going to use the contour colors right here. I'm going to use Deep. Now I'm going to get the blush in Sweet Cheeks. We're going to do our eyeshadow. So when we are doing our eyeshadow, I'm just going to carve out my contour. Let's start on the eyes. You want to get your concealer or your eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use concealer. Okay, so now that we have concealed our eyes, I am going to get this color from the BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to mix these 2 together. I'm going to do 1 dip in this and then 2 dips. And we are just going to try and only stay on the outer corner with this color. Blend that out. And you want to blend this into the crease. Okay, so I just added a little bit of more pigment on this side, and we are going to bring this out to the center of the eyelids. The rest you just want to like blend back and forth. We are going to dip into this burgundy color right here. 1 dip, and we are just going to want to put that on the outside and then blend it out. If you guys want the most pigment out of your eyeshadow, do not set your concealer on your eyes. Just go in and straight apply the eyeshadow, because the eyeshadow is going to set the concealer. So it's going to make your eyeshadow more pigmented. We are going to do the under eyes. I'm going to be using this color right here. We are just going to apply it to the under eye right here. that burgundy color, we are just going to get a little bit onto the brush, and then we are just going to.
I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable.
From the center to the eye to the outer eye, we are going to need a flat brush, and I'm going in with that gray color from. I'm going to use the actual color that I meant to use, is this one right here. And we are going to get this color, and then we are going to try and smoke it out. I meant blend it out so that way there is no harsh line. I'm going to get my blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the whole eyeshadow in. Now we are going to finish up the face. This is not good for baking. Use Airspun. Airspun, the best setting powder to bake with. We are going to get the same shimmer, the eyeshadow right here, and we are going to put it in the bottom eyes. Super cute. And then we're just going to blend it out a little bit, not too much. So I got my eyelashes on, and I could not find my other ones that I really like, so I have to use these ugly ass ones. I did some under eye mascara. We are just going to put some highlighter on. So the highlighter I'll be using today will be from the Studio Pro Face and Eyes. I'm going to use the color Diamond or King. I don't know which one. Oh, first we need to set the makeup. Go top that. So I'm going to dip in King and Diamond. We are going to add some highlighter on the chin. I love this highlighter so much. It gives just a super cute, pretty glow. We're going to add some on the forehead just to get a super natural glow going on. Make it seem like we're not wearing makeup. Natural makeup. We're going to add some on the bridge of the nose. I don't really contour my nose because when I apply highlighter, it already gives me a contour effect. Some people will apply like a whole bunch of highlighter all on their nose with a huge old brush like this, and it's going to make your nose look super big. So you always want to go in with a super small brush when applying highlighter. Spray some more setting spray. Is this cute, y'all? How y'all living? Y'all living for this look? Okay, so today's lip I'm going to be using, I'm going to apply the Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the color Daddy from his Manny's collaboration. I'm going to apply some right here and right here. Oh God, do y'all see that? Honey. Honey. And then I'm going to go in with Goddess, and then I'm just going to apply that. Ooh. To the center. Giving me a super tinted natural look. That is going to be the final look. Okay, so this is the final look. I am super loving. It's super cute.